Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Farooq from Peshawar, Pakistan, and I am a member of Global Farmer Network. Here I am standing in my farm. So as we have finished the harvesting season of plum, before starting the harvest season, so we lost a lot of raw plum due to storm. So the farmer were very upset. Still, we finished with a very good enough fruits, and when we send it into the different markets and we sell it on a very high prices. So now the tomato and luffa season are start, so these vegetables are also in high demands and they are selling on a very high prices in different market as well. So the farmers saying this year is going very well for us. So that's all. Thank you.